A very charming good morning to all of you dear children. Today we are going to study few more sums of exercise 2.2 based on fractions. Okay, so let's see. Question number 6, what is written? Which is greater? Which two fractions are given? 2 by 3 and 7 by 9. Out of this, what is greater? And if any of these two, any one is greater, then you have to find by how much it is greater. So to find greater, which fraction is greater, 2 by 3 or 7 by 9, very easy method is what? We use cross multiplication. Okay. Now just use cross multiplication. Multiply, and first you have to multiply 2 with 9. It will be what? 2 9s are 18. Now here 3 7s are 21. Now you can see that this 18 is less than 21. Now since 18 is less than 21 implies, what it implies? That this 2 by 3 is less than 7 by 9. Or you can say 7 by 9 is greater than 2 by 3, as you have to find which is greater. So as 2 by 3 is less, it means 7 by 9 is greater than 2 by 3. Now it is asked you by how much. So how much निकालने के लिए what we have to do? We have to subtract the smaller fraction from the bigger fraction. So let's see. As we know now that 7 by 9 is greater, so that we write first. Subtract the smaller one, that is 2 by 3, and now you know this how to simplify. You have to find its LCM. LCM is what? 9, and now you complete this sum. The remaining steps you will write. Okay. As 9 is the LCM. 9 divided by 9 will be 1, and here what you will write? 1 into 7. So complete the remaining steps of the sum. Now let's see this sum. This sum is also very easy. Read the question carefully. A rectangular field is 15 2 by 3 meter long and 12 4 by 5 meter wide. Find its perimeter. So first we write what is given in the question. So what is given? There is a rectangular field whose length is given and whose breadth is given, and you have to find its perimeter. It means perimeter of rectangle you have to find. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. So you will use that formula and we will substitute the length and breadth and can get the answer. So it's easy only. See, first you write down what is given. What is given? Length. How much? See in the question, read properly. 15 2 by 3 meter is what is length. Again what is given? Breadth, or you can write small b. What is the breadth of the rectangle given? As 12 4 by 5 meter. Now to find, you can write that also. Write down to find. What you have to find is perimeter. You have to find perimeter of rectangular field. So solution. Solution only. Now what is the perimeter of rectangle? That formula we write. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Now you put the values. Whenever we are using formula, this 2 will remain as it is. According to formula we have to put the values. So this 2 will be as it is. L. What is L here? 15 2 by 3 plus breadth. What is your breadth? Means breadth of the rectangle 12 4 by 5. Now simplify. Just simplify. Let us simplify the bracket first according to board mass. You can see this is in mixed fraction. So convert mix into improper. So 15 3 are 45. 45 plus 2. 47 by 3 plus 12 5 is 60. 60 plus 4 64 by 5. Now this 2 will be as it is, and you know what is this? Here again you will find the LCM of the denominator. Okay, you will find the LCM of denominator, and at last you will get one fraction, and that fraction you will multiply with this 2. Before the bracket, what is the sign there? Always 2, and then you will get the answer. So remaining steps you have to write, children. the last step you will write how that I explained you now. Find the LCM, make the denominator equal, whatever the fraction you will get, that you will multiply with 2 and that will give you the answer. And in this way you will get the perimeter of a rectangular field. Now let's move to question number 10. Now children, see question number 10. Question is very easy. A piece of wire is of length 8 1/4 meter. Means there is a piece of there is a piece of wire whose total length is how much? 8 1/4 meter. Now that piece of wire is cut into how many pieces? 2 pieces, and the length of the one piece of the wire is given. You have to find the length of the other piece of the wire. It is just like that sum, that there are the sum of two number is this one of the number is given and you have to find the other number. Now let's draw simple wire. Suppose this is any wire whose total length is how much given? You can see total length you have given 8 1/4 meter according to the question. Now this wire is divided into how many parts? 2 parts, into 2 pieces. This is one piece and this is one piece. Now the length of one piece is 4 3/5. So suppose this is the length, this much is the length of one piece of the wire, and you have to find the other piece of the wire. Okay, so what you will do? You have to subtract 4 3/5 meter, means one piece of a wire you will subtract from the total length of the wire. Very easy. So what we can write now? We can write that the length of the other piece of wire is equal to what? You have to subtract one piece of length of one piece of wire from the total length. So what is the total length of the wire? 8 1/4. From this you will subtract the length of one piece of wire, and that is what? 4 3/5. Now you know, if it is a mixed fraction, you have to convert into improper. So convert 8 4 32, 32 plus 1 33/4 minus 5 4 20, 20 plus 3 23/5. Now you find its what? LCM. What is the LCM here? 20. And now divide 20/4, you will get 5, and that 5 you will multiply with its numerator. And what is the numerator? 33. In the same way, divide this 20/5, you will get 4 and multiply with its numerator. And now children, you can simplify. Only 2-3 steps you have to write, and whatever the fraction, whatever the length you will get, whatever the answer you will get, that will be the length of the other piece of wire. Now see children, I have given the homework that you have to complete whatever the left steps of the questions now, question 6 and 10, that you will write. And your homework is question number 7 and question number 11. Now in question number 11, what is given to you? You have given the length of the 3 sides of a triangle, and you have to find its perimeter. So what is the formula for the perimeter of a triangle? Yes, you know, I know. Yes, perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the 3 sides of a triangle. So you will write that perimeter of a triangle is equal to the length of first side plus the length of second side plus the length of third side, and you will add all the 3 fractions whatever given, and you will simplify. So I hope children you understood this exercise 2.2 very well, and do your homework regularly, work hard, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, thank you, and complete this exercise. Goodbye children.